Are your organization's devices truly secure, or is an unpatched glitch just waiting to cause a meltdown? Updates aren't just a nuisance, they are your primary line of defense. But managing them across Windows, iPhones, and Androids manually, that's impossible. In this course, I will show you how to master Microsoft Intune, transforming that chaos into a streamlined, invisible shield. You'll learn to plan strategic rollouts with update rings, leverage lightning-fast peer-to-peer delivery, and manage every device type with ease. Don't wait for a crisis. Secure your entire organization today. Watch the whole course now. Imagine your company's devices are like your home. A single device without updates is like leaving your front door unlocked in a busy city, an open invitation for global cyber threats. It's a challenge every modern business faces. We used to treat Windows like a new car model. You bought a version and kept it until it broke down. Now, Windows is a service constantly improving, just like the apps on your phone. To manage this, Microsoft Intune acts as your powerful, cloud-based tool. It organizes updates into two types: annual feature updates to unlock new capabilities, and monthly quality updates to patch security bugs. Intune deploys these updates to all your devices, from Windows laptops to Android phones, keeping your business secure, updated, and ready for work. When you're running a business, you can't afford a surprise update breaking your critical software on a busy Monday morning. That's why we use Microsoft Intune to create update rings. Think of an update ring as a staged buffer. We start with a test ring, a tiny group of tech-savvy users who check the update immediately to see if anything breaks. Next, the early ring rolls it out to a slightly larger group for a few more days of observation. Once we know it's stable, the standard ring, the majority of the company, receives the update, often waiting up to 90 days for new features. Finally, for your most critical, sensitive devices, the slow ring defers updates for up to 6 months to ensure maximum reliability. This staggered approach means that if a glitch does happen, it only affects a handful of people rather than the entire company. It's all about ensuring a smooth, surprise-free rollout. Imagine it's 9 a.m. and 500 employees all try to download a massive 4 gigabytes update at once. Your office internet would instantly crawl to a halt. To solve this, Intune uses delivery optimization. It works like a professional version of peer-to-peer sharing. Instead of every machine reaching out to the internet, the first computer to finish its download from Microsoft becomes a local source. It shares small pieces of that update with other computers on your own high-speed local network. This means 499 computers get their data at lightning-fast local speeds without stressing your internet connection. Plus, managers stay in control. You can set limits on internet usage, ensure devices have enough battery life before sharing, and protect disk space so work never slows down. Modern work isn't tied to a desk. It happens on iPhones, Macs, and Androids. Intune acts as your multilingual translator, ensuring every device follows your company's security rules regardless of its operating system. For Apple devices, managers can set specific policies that dictate exactly when an iPhone or MacBook should install a critical security patch or firmware update. You can even schedule these to happen outside of working hours, so users aren't interrupted. On Android, Intune uses device restriction profiles to create strict maintenance windows, like 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., to ensure updates don't hit in the middle of a meeting. For specialized hardware like Samsung or Zebra, Intune uses photo firmware over the air to link directly to the manufacturer for deep system updates that keep the physical parts of the phone running perfectly. Staying in control is the final piece of the puzzle. Microsoft Intune acts as your central command, providing detailed reports that identify exactly which devices are up to date and which have failed. If a problematic update causes errors, your manager has powerful emergency tools ready to go. With one click, you can hit pause to stop all updates for up to 35 days while you investigate. You can also remotely uninstall or roll back quality patches that are causing glitches. For those users who keep clicking "Remind me later," you can set hard deadlines to force critical installations. Intune balances ironclad security with a smooth employee workflow, transforming chaotic tasks into a streamlined, invisible shield. We began by examining how Microsoft transitioned from old car model software releases to modern Windows as a service, which required constant feature and quality updates. We then explored how Intune was used to plan strategic rollouts by creating distinct update rings. This staggered approach provided a safety net, allowing updates to be tested on a small group before hitting the whole organization. Next, we looked at how Office downloads were optimized using clever peer-to-peer sharing, effectively preventing internet bottlenecks. The scope was then widened, showing how Intune acted as a multi-platform manager for Apple and Android, creating strict schedules and maintenance windows. Finally, we covered monitoring and troubleshooting, explaining how managers use detailed reports and powerful tools to pause or roll back problematic updates. This integrated strategy transformed device management into an invisible shield for organizations.